Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to use TikTok voice effects. First guys, you need to go on your plus icon and then select for a video, or in this case I'm gonna go with recording in this moment. With recording, and right now with this talking we're gonna make a voice effect. Now go on your tick side and then you need to volume up your effects, go on voice effects and choose a voice effect. For example, here we have many options. Go for megaphone. And right now with this talking we're gonna make a voice recording. And right now with this talking we're gonna make also have different options for voice effects. Go with spooky.
And right now, with this talking, we're gonna make
a voice recording. And right now, with this talking, we're gonna make
a voice recording. And
Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.